is the meaning of stocks?
Stocks actually is another term for equities or another term for being invested in a share of a company or in layman's term, maging may-ari ng isang negosyo. So pag ikaw ay nais maging may-ari ng isang negosyo, ang ibig sabihin niyan, willing kang ibahagi ang pera mo at magkaroon ka ng capital appreciation dahil ang negosyo na iyong pinasukan ay over an extended period of time going to be lucrative or profitable. Ikaw ngayon ay nagiging may-ari ng negosyo. Habang ikaw ay nagiging may-ari ng negosyo, you also become part of the business's economic cycles. Magandang ekonomiya, kumikita ang negosyo, kumikita ka. Di magandang ekonomiya, nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na price adjustment, yung share price, nararamdaman mo rin yun. Doesn't necessarily mean you're losing money, just means that you are encountering volatilities that the business goes through.